Hey, so friends, let me tell you about the time I made this suit so I can wear to an interview. Crazy part about this, I did all this to make this suit and forgot to even put the suit on for the interview. Okay, so listen, this position is a really good one, y'all, and I'm praying that I get this one because I'm hoping that it'll put me around some new people, networks, and opportunities. And I wanted to make sure that I have the perfect suit. I knew I had some lightweight wool in the house. And I got this wool from G Street Fabrics. Yeah, and I'm telling you, I love it. I love the way it was going to flow when I have it on. And I also did the pencil skirt and this as well to go with the jacket. Now, I got this fabric from G Street Fabrics and I got it out of the $2.99 a yard room. And when I tell y'all I saw this and I was like, get all of it. Just pick up the whole thing and get it and get it and get it. So I want to say I probably got about 6 yards that day or something. But I'm happy I did because I was able to make what I need. And y'all know I like a pop of color. So, of course, I have some yellow lining material that I'm going to be putting in my jacket. And I think it looks perfect. And I do have some cute little buttons I found from Hobby Lobby that I will add on to the suit after I get done. Now, listen, I worked on this lapel and collar. And I was adding my little tailoring tips to my new blazers and stuff that I've been making. And when I tell you I can see the difference, it really makes me want to go back and remake the blazers that I previously made just to fix the lapels and the collars. Listen, I may have to do a video with that, like the back then and now video, so you all can see how bad some of those jackets were looking. But guess what? I was wearing them things like they was going out of style. You couldn't tell me nothing, honey, because I was wearing my golden car trail. Okay. Now, this one, as you can see, I'm just trying to do some hand stitching right now. And y'all know I always got to find me something good to watch on TV or have some good music playing. It just kind of depends. But I think on this one, I was watching the Family Business. And I was good with y'all until the two sisters started acting like they was Rambo and what's the other one name? Arnold Schwarzenegger. I just wasn't feeling that. I don't know what. Okay, if y'all not watching Family Business, listen, it's a good series. I like it. But again, I just wasn't feeling the whole two girls playing like they was Rambo. Just wasn't feeling that. Okay, now this is looking more like a blazer collar than that thing I had at first. Listen, this is why it's important to make sure you read your directions before you attempt to put anything together. Because look at it, y'all, I missed one step. One step. This is what what it's supposed to look like. This is what it's supposed to look like compared to what I had y'all seeing earlier. But basically, guess what? My jacket's done. The jacket is finished. I went ahead and added my lining to it. So the lining is already in there. And I love the way it came out. I think that's beautiful. Just that extra little pop of color right there. And listen, I love it, y'all. I'm really impressing myself a little bit today because not only do I have that magnificent collar right there, which needs to go to the place and get pressed out, but here's another one that needs to get pressed out that I've done. Here's another collar set, y'all. And when I say it's crazy the difference you make. Listen, do not quit. Don't stop doing what you gotta do. Do your thing, y'all, so that y'all can get it done. But I am so in love with this jacket. I cannot wait to put it on because I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And this was actually like in Joann's a while back. It was on sale because I think it was like the I ended up getting like 40% off. So I ended up paying total for the material for this jacket. I probably paid about $6 because I got about 2 yards of it. So it was like $2.99 a yard. But look, I love it. Y'all, when I tell y'all I love this so much. I cannot wait to put that thing on. I'm going to rock that so crazy. So here you all can see these are the steps that I took to create that beautiful jacket and the skirt combination for the interview. All that work, and I didn't even wear the suit for the interview. I'm going to just tell you what, y'all. If I don't get the job, we just going to blame outfit of the day. How about that? But I'll keep y'all posted. Have a good one.